GIST, gastrointestinal stromal tumor. Most common site is the stomach, then small intestine, then colon, then rectum, and then esophagus. GIST is a tumor that arises from the pacemaker cell, that is the interstitial cells of Kajal. Now there is a receptor present on the gastric pacemaker cell that is called the c-KIT. Marker CD117. Other markers include CD34, BCL2, PDGFR alpha, that is platelet derived growth factor receptor alpha. There are two new markers available, that is DOG1 and protein kinase C theta. Now there are two types of cells present in GIST, that is spindle cells and another one is the epithelioid cell. Spindle cell are 70% and epithelioid cells are 30%. Clinical features: most patients are asymptomatic in early stages. Most common presentation is the bleeding, and if there is bleeding as a presentation, then it is an emergency presentation. Now, how does the GIST spread? It spreads by hematogenous route, and the most common site of metastasis is to the liver. It is not associated with lymphatic spread. Investigation of choice for diagnosis is CECT, contrast enhanced CT scan. For extraluminal condition of GIT, for any extraluminal condition of GIT, for example GIST, mesenteric cyst, diverticulitis, intra-abdominal abscess collection, for all this the investigation of choice for diagnosis is CECT. Endoscopic biopsy is contraindicated because, as we know, this is a vascular tumor, hypervascular tumor. So the tumor can rupture and it can cause bleeding. Treatment is a wedge-shaped segmental resection with 2 cm margin. Now the drug of choice for GIST is imatinib, and if it is resistant to imatinib, then sunitinib is given, and if it is sunitinib resistant, then regorafenib is given, that is the third line agent. Investigation of choice for monitoring the response of therapy is the PET scan. Okay. Now the gold standard for recurrent GIST, it is PET CT. Now there is a triad that is called the Carney's triad. It includes three things, that is extraadrenal paraganglioma, pulmonary chondroma, and multifocal GIST.